Efforts to improve sustainability in asphalt paving have made reclaimed asphalt pavement, or RAP, a top priority. Using RAP reduces the need for virgin aggregate and binder, cutting costs and environmental impact. But high-performing RAP mixes require proper processing and the right rejuvenator. Here's how the 9-step process works. Milling removes layers of pavement, usually 2 inches or more, for full-depth projects. The material is then transported for processing. Crushing breaks it into manageable sizes using equipment such as jaw or impact crushers. Screening and fractionating remove contaminants and sort particles by size, improving consistency and minimizing dust. Homogenizing blends RAP fractions to ensure a uniform stockpile, key to quality control. Storing RAP under cover helps reduce drying time and energy use. Characterizing evaluates the RAP's bitumen content, grade, and aggregate size, helping to determine how much virgin material is needed. Rejuvenating restores the functional properties of the aged binder contained in RAP. Sripath's ReLIXER is a bio-based rejuvenator that improves durability and workability while reducing the need for virgin binder. Formulating blends RAP, virgin material, and rejuvenator to meet performance specs, often using balanced mix design methods. Producing the mix at modern plants requires managing moisture and temperature to ensure quality. Visit www.sripath.com to learn more.